In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Word documents by encrypting them with a password. Protecting your documents is crucial, especially if they contain sensitive or confidential information. So, let's go through the process step by step, ensuring your document stays locked down and private. First off, you'll need to open the Word document that you want to protect. It's essential that you have the file ready and accessible on your computer. Once you've opened the document, go ahead and direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open up a new menu, usually referred to as the Backstage view. Here, you'll find an option labeled Info. Click on that. This section houses various settings related to your document's security and properties. Next, find the Protect Document button. This button might have a slight variation in name depending on the version of Word you're using, but it generally appears as Protect Document, or something very similar. Clicking on it will display a drop-down menu with several protection options. From this menu, look for and select the option that says Encrypt with Password. This is the critical step that will allow you to set a password for your document. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter a password. Choose a strong password, ideally one that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This password is your document's first line of defense against unauthorized access, so make sure it's something memorable yet complex. After typing your password, press OK. You'll immediately be asked to re-enter the password to confirm it. This step is crucial. Word just wants to make sure that you've typed the password correctly, preventing any mishaps such as typing errors which could lock you out of your own document. So, carefully type the password again and click OK. At this point, your document is nearly secure. The final task is to save your changes. Navigate once more to the File menu and select Save. Making sure to save is important because it applies the encryption to your document. If you skip this step, the password protection won't be activated. Congrats! You've now secured your Word document with a password. From here on out, whenever someone tries to open your document, Word will request the password you just set. Remember, without the correct password, the contents of your document will remain inaccessible. By following these straightforward steps, you can rest easy knowing that your document is shielded from prying eyes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you keep your information safe and secure.